human is the dominant species on Earth. We see themselves as the smartest, strongest, and mightiest person. But when we look to the sky, we realize we are too small. We are nothing compared with the huge universe out there. And in fact, we barely know anything about it. And there are many things of the universe that go beyond our perception. In our universe, space has three dimensions: length, width, and depth. What about the fourth dimension? What is it? How can we determine it? Well, in 3D world, you determine a point by using its coordinate. In three dimension, three perpendicular planes are chosen, and the three coordinates of a point are the sides distant to each of the planes. In other words, in 3D world, a point has three coordinates. So in 4D world, a point must have four coordinates. Let's call the fourth coordinate is t. So in order to find what t is, you just need to remain out the coordinate and change the value of t. Each of these values will outcome a different point. Let's imagine in this way: a girl stands at a position at 4 p.m. Let's say tomorrow she will stand at the same position at 4 p.m. at the same time. Okay, so even though the girl doesn't change, the first girl is totally different with the second girl. So time is a fourth dimension. However, time is a different kind of dimension than space. We had no trouble traveling westward as well as it was, but we make our choice and go. But in this century, we cannot travel backward as well as forward in time. So what about the fifth dimension? Again, in 5D world, we must know four coordinates. Now it's really hard because how are there two different persons at the same position and at the same time? Also, we need help from another theory, the multiverse theory. So, what is the multiverse theory? The multiverse or meta-universe is the hypothetical set of infinity possible universes, including the universe we consistently experience. The various universes within the multiverse are also called the parallel universes or alternate universes. You may feel this theory unfamiliar, but in fact, this theory has been applied in many other fields. In movie, it was described in Back to the Future franchise. In comic, Marvel as well as DC also use this theory a lot. So according to the multiverse theory, there are many parallel universes. So uh, they will create many, actually infinity possibilities. For example, in a universe of DC, Batman may be just a normal person. Of course, he's still a billionaire who are ready to help others. But in a different universe of DC, Batman may have incredible power like a vampire, even though he's still Batman. But these two persons are totally different. Now you find out what the fifth dimension is. I don't know exactly is the term, but I think that the fifth dimension relates strongly to the multiverse theory. So let's call the fifth coordinate is P, short for possibilities. If you consider a single timeline to be a series of events that can occur over time, so you can imagine the fifth dimension is an entire collection of such timelines, it is own possible timelines. So the fourth dimension is time, and the fifth one is, let's say, possibility. According to the book Flatland, human can only see three dimensions. Our brain is not capable of observing and understanding higher dimension. I think that we at this moment cannot do this, but in the future we will be able to do it because our nature always is exploring and breaking obstacles, isn't it?